for lunch. I just got back from the grocery store and I bought beets. I got golden beets with their tops on for both dinner tonight and lunches tomorrow. I love to do beets roasted in the oven, and I'm always that person who's not only buying beets with the tops on because they come with the beet and they're free with purchase, but I also am always picking up the tops that other people tear off. We love, love, love beet tops. If your family likes spinach, it's the kind of vegetable that I suggest you give a try. And because there's so much great summer produce right now, I thought it was a great reason to do a video for you on summer salads and ways to get lots of fresh produce into your family's tummy. This is a take on tomato mozzarella caprese, but instead of tomatoes today, I'm going to be doing my roasted golden beets. I have peaches. Can you see them? Peaches behind me that I got on sale. And I snagged a mozzarella cheese on sale. The sky's the limit. There's so many different fruit and vegetable combinations with cheese that you can make into a delicious and healthy salad. What I love about the beets is that they come with their own greens. So I love cooking in advance both my beets and the beet tops, and then layering and putting together my salad later just by pulling all of my stuff out of the fridge. I want to show you these steps really quickly because I know anytime you get in someone else's kitchen, they do things differently than you do. You want to give your beets a nice little bath. I fill up one side of my sink and I wash my beets really well, cut the stems off, give them a good scrub, and I leave the greens to soak for a moment in the water bath. That lets all the dirt and grime just kind of fall off, and I might change the water once. Then I'll get these beets into a foil packet with a little bit of grapeseed oil, a little bit of salt, and roast them in my 400-degree oven for about an hour. So much for cooking with me today, you guys. If you like beets or if you like caprese salad, this is a great recipe to try on your family. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit subscribe and the like button, and I look forward to seeing you back here again soon. Bye-bye.